Hello everyone, welcome back to the Secure 7. So you want to break into the cybersecurity, but you are stuck on the first step. Which certifications do you start with? Do you need a degree? Is a CompTIA Security Plus worth it? What if you are starting from zero with no experience and no tech background? In this video, I will walk you through the top cybersecurity certifications in 2025 step by step. These are the exact certifications people are using to launch their careers, and I will even show you which ones are a beginner friendly, free or low cost, and what to avoid. Let's be clear, certifications are not magic. You still need a practice, but they do help. They signal your seriousness to employers, help you to learn structured skills, and get you past that automated HR filter. Many cybersecurity professionals today don't have a degree, but they have got certifications. If you paid the right certifications with the hands-on experience like Try Hack Me or Hack the Box, you will be miles ahead of the most applications. So let's we talk it about top 5 entry level certifications. First one is the CompTIA Security Plus. This is the often called a gateway certifications for cybersecurity, and for a good reason. It covers the threats and attacks, risk management, networks and host security, identity and access control. Why it's great? Globally recognized. Okay. Often requirement for entry level jobs is must required. Vendor natural vendor natural and great overview. Okay. And study time is the 2 3 months. In between you can clear these certifications and cost around 392 bucks. Second was the Google certificate, Google Cybersecurity Professional Certificate, which collaborate with the Coursera. It covers the security tools, SOC workflows, real projects and job simulations. Why it's great? It's a project based learning, no prerequisites, and resume ready projects. And study time, it only takes 3 to 6 months. In between you can clear your certifications, and minimum course 390 per month on Coursera. You just buy the monthly premium and get this course and certifications. Next we have a certified cybersecurity, which is CC by ISC Square. This is a free foundational certification from the one of the most respected names in the field, perfect for true beginners. It covers cybersecurity concepts, network principles, access control, and security operations. Why it's great? Free. Its main point. Free if you sign up with the ISC Square 1 million certified initiative. Very respected for the job applications. No experience required is main here. Study time only 4 to 6 weeks, not a month. And cost is free of cost. Next one we have the Try Hack Me learning paths and proof of completion. Okay, that's one's not a certifications in the traditional sense, but hear me out. Try Hack Me teaches you real skills employers love. It covers all Linux basics, network fundamentals, real hacking labs, capture the flag games, learn by doing. Okay. Earn digital certificates for each path, low cost and browser based. Study time it's self placed and you just and it will cost around the $10 per month, which is the cheapest price of this premium. We next one we have the Cisco certified cyber ops associate. If you are aiming for the job in a SOC, which is a security operations center, this certifications is tailor made for you, which is network monitoring, security tools, incident response, SOC analysis skills. and recognized by employers, excellent for SOC roles, strong detection and response. It will take the 2 3 months here and cost around 300 bucks. So, which one is right for you? No experience at all? Start with the Google Cybersecurity or try Hack Me. Wants to a job in 6 to 12 months? Paired with the paid Try Hack Me labs with CompTIA Security Plus. Targeting a SOC job, which is a Security Operations Center job. Cisco CyberOps Plus ISC Squared certified in cybersecurity is great combo. Already in IT, Security Plus or jumped straight into the certified ethical hacker CEH. Remember, no certification replaces the real practice, but the right certs open the right door. If you are serious about breaking into the cybersecurity, choose one certificate, build your lab skills, and don't stop learning. You don't need to be a genius, you just need to be consistent. Hit that like button if this helps you. Subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, try hack me walkthroughs, and beginner friendly career guidance. Let me know in the comments which certifications you aiming for this year. I will reply every comment. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity videos.